Chinese smartphone giant Vivo launched its latest offering, Vivo V9 Pro, in India last month. The company then promised that it would make the smartphone available during the Amazon Great Indian Festival, and sure enough, the sale of the Vivo V9 Pro, 17,990 rupees, is all set to begin from today. The Vivo V9 Pro will be available for Amazon Prime members starting 12 p.m. IST, noon, today, and for non-Prime members the sale will begin on October 10 from 12 a.m. IST. Furthermore, the smartphone will be up for grabs at a discounted rate of 17,990 rupees during the sale. Vivo V9 Pro price in India, launch offers. Vivo V9 Pro was launched in India for Rs. 19,990 for the lone 6GB RAM, 64GB storage model. During the Amazon sale, the Vivo V9 Pro will be sold at a 2,000 rupees discount, and will be available for 17,990 rupees only. The Amazon Great Indian Festival sale will start at 12 a.m. IST, midnight, on Wednesday, October 10th, and will end at 11:59 p.m. on October 15th. Prime members, however, get 12 hours of early access starting at 12 p.m. IST, noon, on Tuesday, October 9th. Therefore, Prime members get to purchase the Vivo V9 Pro starting 12 p.m. IST, noon, today, while the rest have to wait till midnight to make the purchase. As part of the launch offers, customers can get 10% instant discount on SBI debit and credit card holders. Free one-time screen replacement, no-cost ME up to 6 months, total damage protection at 49 rupees, guaranteed exchange price, exchange offer, free earphones, and pre-applied screen protector and case cover as well. Jio is offering benefits of up to 4,050 rupees. The smartphone will be available on Amazon India only in black. Vivo V9 Pro specifications: the dual SIM, Nano Plus Micro SD. Vivo V9 Pro runs on Android 8.1 Oreo based on FunTouch OS 4.0. It features a 6.3-inch 1080 by 2280 pixels full-view display 2.0 and is powered by a Snapdragon 660 AIE SoC, coupled with a Adreno 512 GPU and 6 GB of RAM. There is 64 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via a dedicated microSD card, up to 256 GB. The smartphone sports a dual rear camera setup that comprises a 13-megapixel primary sensor with LED flash and f2.2 aperture, and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. On the front, there is a single 16-megapixel sensor along with an f2.0 aperture, and features like AI selfie lighting, AI face beauty. The Vivo V9 Pro packs a 3,260 mAh battery, weighs 150 grams, and the handset measures 154.81 x 75.03 x 7.89 millimeters. The smartphone has connectivity options, including 4G VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth V4.2, GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB OTG, and a micro USB port.